Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion Y540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion Y540 won't turn on, you may be experiencing a common issue that can stem from various causes such as a faulty power supply, a damaged motherboard, or even a malfunctioning battery. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage, rendering your device unusable. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement part if necessary, which we will identify during the process. First, ensure the device is completely powered off. Begin by carefully removing the back cover of the laptop. Use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the edges, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the cover is off, you will have access to the internal components. Next, locate the power connector and check for any visible signs of damage. If the connector appears intact, examine the battery connection. If there are any loose cables, gently reattach them. In case you identify a faulty component, such as the power supply unit or motherboard, you will need to extract it. Remove the screws securing the component, noting the type of screws used. Apply firm but gentle pressure when removing the component to avoid damaging nearby parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty component is replaced, ensure all cables are securely reconnected. Now, it's time to put the back cover on. Align it properly and press down firmly until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion Y540 to ensure it is functioning correctly. If it powers on, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check your device for any signs of wear and tear, keep it clean and dust-free, and avoid overloading the power supply. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.